It's hard to beat the flavour and nutritional benefits of fresh herbs and veg that you've grown yourself, but it can seem challenging if you only have a small outdoor area available. In this Royal Botanic Gardens Q course, we'll show you how a small space, like a balcony or patio, can provide fresh produce almost all year round. Hello, I'm Mark Ridsdill Smith. I'm the founder of Vertical Veg that inspires and supports people who don't have gardens to grow food in containers. As we progress through the course together, I'll lead you through my methods for growing healthy herbs and leafy veg in containers and show you lots of other tips and suggestions for how to make the most of a small space along the way. During the course, we'll cover how to start your edible garden, learn the basic principles of success in container growing, discover practical ways to support wildlife and see how to plan for the year ahead. Together we'll start growing with some pea shoots and other microgreens, look at ways to make the most of your space, make a basin pond for attracting wildlife, grow herbs, salad leaves and some climbing beans, and finally we'll look at ways you can scale up in future. Following along with exclusive videos and step-by-step instructions, you'll create your own container garden, learning my techniques and approaches for abundant growing almost anywhere. Follow at your own pace, watch the videos as often as you want, and achieve quality results using the exclusive kit. We've taken this exclusive Q course online so that you can get started from the comfort of your own home. Enroll today and discover the benefits of growing your own food at home, great for your plate and great for your well-being.